10 minimalist rules that can transform your life. In the next few minutes, we will explore 10 minimalist rules that have the potential to change your life for the better. These rules are simple yet effective, and they have personally helped many people find motivation and clarity in their day-to-day life. By implementing these rules, you can declutter your mind, prioritize experiences over material possessions, and create a more organized and fulfilling lifestyle. The house on fire rule. Imagine if your house burned down and you lost all your belongings. Would you be relieved or overly attached to your possessions? This rule encourages you to reflect on the importance of material possessions in your life. By letting go of unnecessary items, you can experience a sense of calm and mental clarity. The 20/20 rule. Many of us hold on to things just in case. This rule suggests that if you can replace an item for $20 or less within 20 minutes, it is not worth keeping. By applying this rule, you can declutter your space and let go of items that no longer serve a purpose. The box rule. For those who struggle to let go of belongings, the box rule offers a helpful solution. If you are unsure about an item, place it in a box and set a reminder to revisit it in 6 months. If you haven't needed anything from the box during that time, consider donating the entire box. This rule can trick your mind into decluttering and letting go of unnecessary possessions. The 2-day rule. This rule emphasizes the importance of consistency when forming new habits. Commit to not missing a new habit for 2 consecutive days. Whether it's reading a page of a book or exercising, this rule helps you stay on track and prevents you from falling off the bandwagon. The investing rule. Instead of investing in material possessions, focus on investing in experiences. Experiences have the power to change you as a person, create lasting memories, and expand your horizons. By redirecting your spending towards travel and meaningful experiences, you can find greater happiness and personal growth. The home rule. Assign a specific place for everything in your home. If an item does not have a designated spot, consider letting it go. This rule helps you stay organized and prevents the accumulation of clutter. By finding a home for each item, you can avoid losing important belongings and maintain a tidy living space. The other people rule. Often we make choices based on what others think or to seek validation. This rule encourages you to prioritize your own needs and wants over the opinions of others. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it is something you genuinely need or if it is driven by external validation. The 90 rule. Apply this rule when considering purchases or opportunities. If something rates below 90 out of 100, it is not worth your time or money. By setting strict criteria for what you bring into your life, you can ensure that everything you own or commit to is of high value and importance. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes 2 minutes or less to complete, do it immediately. This rule helps you tackle small tasks that you might otherwise procrastinate on. By taking care of these small tasks promptly, you can create a sense of accomplishment and clear your mind of unnecessary clutter. The nightly reset. Before going to bed, take a few minutes to reset your living space. Lay out your clothes for the next day, tidy up, and prepare for a successful morning. This nightly routine can help you start each day with a sense of organization and purpose. Conclusion. By implementing these 10 minimalist rules, you can simplify your life, declutter your mind, and prioritize what truly matters. Embracing minimalism can lead to increased motivation, mental clarity, and a more fulfilling lifestyle. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but rather focusing on what truly brings you joy and purpose. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.